Okay, looking at this one. Normally, when you're looking at cos 2 theta, it has two rules. Now, three rules. Now you tell yourself, you're like, okay, which one should I use? Let's go back in time. Should I use this one that has cos squared alone, sine squared alone, or the one that has cos squared and a sine squared? The question is, if you're proving, you're going to look at the left-hand side. But if you are simplifying, you look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. You see sine and cos, both of them. Sine and cos are appearing in both. Then you must choose the rule that has both sine and cos. The double angle for cos 2 theta, the one that has sine and cos, you need this one, which can be factorized as difference of two squares. So that means at the top, my friend, right at the top, you're going to have to choose that rule. So that means you're changing cos by using a rule that contains both sine and cos. How did you know that? The denominator was containing both sine and cos. There we go. And then at the bottom, you still have sine. Well, you can rearrange this. It doesn't matter. It's the same thing by putting cos theta first, plus, and then sine theta next. It's the same thing. Then the next thing that you need to do is to factorize the top because it's difference of two squares. So that means you write cos of theta plus sine of theta, close the bracket, open the bracket. You now have cos of theta. Now you use a minus sine of theta. And then the bottom will stay as is, as it is. So let's go put it as it is. There it is. You can put that in the bracket. So you can see that one will cancel with that. Your final answer will be just cos of theta minus sine of theta. I'm going to say it again. The cos 2 theta has three rules. To know which one you must choose. You can choose anyone. Nothing is wrong with the other one. I could have chosen that one, and then I changed the one. I could have chosen that one and changed the one. It'll come back to that. But if you want to go faster in an exam to get a correct answer very fast without wasting time, when you've got cos 2 theta, if you don't have the right-hand side, there is only simplifying. Check at the bottom or the top. What do you see? Do you see sine alone? If it's sine alone, that means you must use this rule that has sine only. If you see cos only, you use the one that has cos. But if you see both sine and cos at the top or bottom, you use that one. If you have a right-hand side, you'll check on the right-hand side what appears. That's all. It will be sine alone, cos alone, or both of them.